nete koba buna negosori y'abantu bari babwate nibo kurende omurikito haruno toto nyengiri nigo asanga no oyo kabero mujumbe omukoro webunge ya South Mugirango MP David Kombo oyo nyara koba gutuguterare na goteba buna egosori ya golf nigo ere ya mogosori onde bwensi nabo igo mamincha na bari bagoteba ngagosori yote bwati bu faida bonde bwensi nigera cheko mokonya omuntu uri ko yegosoria konyora amange na ndemo na sensemo yo koerenda kebocheno gusanga no murikito no toto mospiko yo mokorobe county ya Kisii niganyara ko bagakorwa esegeto gochiase abagosoria abange hanemono abasaye kuriya gwesona ni asegosoria yo ende bachikonyora hobokonye bwaye unagutomanya senchire bwikirano
Egosori ye golf na ya mwaji gosori chitaraira emeli mono asinsemo ao imeyensi ya Kenya na se orongoro gusi egosori yo ni gakogosori wa asinsemo che sports club ase abawatani be kyombe kyo bakomena na kogosori ya korori tukogochia anserinde.
This team you saw here plays every day. We start between 10 and 11. These days it's 10:30. At 11 there's another one of us who is not here, who is a lawyer. He goes to court, so he joins us at 11.
Omujumbe omutangani bwebunge ya South Mugirango MP David Kombo nayo mobo atwali bakogosoria egosoria ya golf na nigo airali bagalia bene gutubwatirania ase egosoria yuoli tukolia lero
5 times umpirengo rimole
go korwali smart
agira 5 times weekengo oso ime. If you play 6 you go 1 over. We play 7, 2 over. There, we call the game. We compete. It is there. You must have a club.
Kombo oyiboigo renge omonogari okabiri bwebunge ye county ya Kisii nigata yabuna egosiri yuone ya mwe chigosori chiri chisikireke gima kubwatakana no bwene bwaye ase obuliana ni bonde bwansi butarikone kigwa chinga kigosori yo egenderete.
It's about golf is that you play the ball as it lies. You don't move it. You don't wait to see whether someone is seeing then you move it. No, you play as the ball lies. You must score straightforward. You hit the ball. If it goes the bundu, you hit it from there. Or you take a penalty. Golf is a very fair game.
Oigo nigo MP Kombo airera obuya bwe gosori yo ya golf gochia asomonto kuba mono ase chinsemo chobochenu.
One thing about golf, it helps you. You use all the upper torso and the lower torso as an exercise. What do I mean? As you swing, you see the upper part is playing towards the green or something. So it's a game where you use all your intelligence. Eyes are seeing, brain is judging. Yes, one thing again about golf, noise that will not help you play.
MP Kombo nigo arwa esegeto gochia ase abasae kubwaterera egosori yubokongu egekugera nigo yakonyire abange.
For young people, they earn a lot. They earn a lot. Oh, we have even Elimu Academy is mentoring children. It mentored children who have gone up to the national level. Youth. Yeah. One of our girls was in Vipingo. One of our boys won in the Kisumu a major competition.
Igoro ye miaka yogutimuka kurwa ase egosori ya golf MP Kombo nigo agotebaiga.
Apart from a toddler, is the only game you can play from youth. Yeah. Death do us part. You don't retire from golf.
Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri, Getembe TV.